welcome to the first vlog build of the Snomads camper van. In previous years we used a minivan. We finally have upgraded to a Ford Transit 250. We cut a plywood frame. This is going to go on the inside. It's going to structurally strengthen the fan mount. B is going to be in this panel. Right here. Alright, now as you can see, we're at the top of the van. We're gonna center the Heinz adapter. See a lot of people doing it, they just put shims in. No, we bought an adapter. This thing only cost us 75 bucks on eBay. Got a real good deal on it. Seemed worth it, but it's gonna give a nice flat surface for the fan to mount. And that is important. Gotta get this all measured out. We gotta do 7 inches to the center. 7 inches there, 7 inches there. That looks good. Here we go. We're gonna start drilling holes. Oh yeah. Safety is my goal.
Michael, get to work!
There we go. Yeah, I've seen a lot of people that do this. They use their son's hand file and all this stuff. I don't know. You just get yourself a nice little Dremel tool, little rotary drill action. Yeah, 18 watts. Yes. Over here, we've made a little bezel, a bezel, however you call it. We've got a piece of plywood here, and then we've got a little paneling to make up for the gap, because the roof and the Transit is not completely flat. So this is going to take up the space. It's been beveled real nice, so it's just going to slip on. It's been there. We're applying 3M window weld here. The Heinz adapter recommends 3M window welds. Welds it good. This is the moment we've been waiting for. The glue is ready. We're gonna put it down right now. Easy. Easy.
Whoa.
Easy, boy.
Careful. It fits.
Fits. Nice. So here we have, we've got the top bracket mounted on here. We've glued it down. We're butyl rubbered, caulked and sealed. And now we're going to, start drilling. Yeah, hear that drill. More drilling.
Well, this is how it looks after using one whole tube of self-leveling sealant. We'll use it to cover up each of the screw holes and all of the edges.